almost the past 5 years and now. And I think this will be the beginning of a good thing for DP to revive back.
There have been challenges of both movements, especially from some of the opposition players who say that the votes were weak. How are we prepared to be able to, maybe if you win, to be able to announce the winner?
Up. I'm not having one agent at a polling station. I'm having two. One goes to the toilet, the other one keeps up an eye.
Wow, I can see that. Maybe that's among most of your supporters and the people here are females, and in fact in this race you are the only woman that is vying for
where we didn't. That's why we're in Namongo today meeting these people. But I want to stick to my 10 points. That is infrastructure, waste management, better housing, affordable housing, and better medical care, and so forth. And my message is very clear that Kampala is for everyone, and I want to voice up for the people.
Now maybe it's the chemistry, it's